Hello, AP Physics. Quick video message from Mr. Fumato. So I'm writing to talk to you about the review resources that I am curating for you. The first resource that I'd like to point out is this spreadsheet that I'm using to sort of keep general resources. So let me step you through this spreadsheet. This has been shared with you through Google Drive. Under the General Resources tab, you see kind of a collection of things. And then under the other tabs, you see mechanics and E&M specifically. Actually, before I get to those, let me just click this equations table. So I edited the equations table for you. And I took out the stuff that you don't need to know for this year. So that'll give you a sense as to kind of what the basic mathematics is of what you need to know and don't need to know. So yeah, this page is general resources. Under the mechanics page, you see that there are 5 mechanics review units to make your way through, and the accompanying video review through Viren's videos, whom I think is the best of the AP Physics C video collections out there. So each unit is linked to some video review if you would like to watch that, and then these are the due dates. Everything is due on AP Classroom. For E&M, I have similarly organized things with video review and due dates. I just want to point out, I'm going to go over to the Wiley calendar here for a second. So in the month of March, so here we are on March 23rd, we're going to spend about 2 weeks of our distance learning on the remainder of magnetism. But I just want to point out that magnetism is not on the AP test. And also, if you've been reading my announcements, I will not be grading any of your work on magnetism. So in a sense, the 2 weeks of teaching that I'm going to be doing starting today and through the April 3rd class is optional. So if you feel like your time and energies will be better spent on review, now is the time to do that. Because in April, check out the deadlines. So the deadlines are going to be fast and furious once we hit April 17th. So, I'm going to interleave the mechanics and the E&M deadlines. We're going to, as you see, we got mechanics on the 17th and the 19th, and then E&M 1, and then another mechanics, and another mechanics, and then E&M 2, and so on. The point I'm trying to make here is that if you feel like you've got the bandwidth to do some magnetism with me, optionally for the next 2 weeks, you should do that, but you should probably also be low-key doing some review work. And if you feel like you don't have the bandwidth for magnetism, then you have got a lot of time and responsibility here to go back and do a deep review. So just to say that, because the due date is on April 17th does not mean, and you absolutely should not wait until April 16th to start those. Okay, that's all for now, folks. Say bye, Starbucks.